Hi everyone, I am Renee if you're new here, and I share home decor and DIY each week. So today we're at Kingston Spring Road right in front of court, checking out the real Christmas tree for persons who want real Christmas trees. So let's get into it and ask some questions. So how much for a tree like this? Alright, now man, we work with a rough idea. How much per foot?
Yeah, from 7.5 go up to 13, 14, 18,000, depends on the size of the tree.
So how much for a tree like this?
Something like this?
Yeah.
Be 8,500.
Okay. I like how them green though.
Yes, man, we're fresh, man. Just a come now, man. We good, you know? We are from Penline Castle.
Oh.
Yeah. Oh. Look on all the big one here. Look at this one. You're looking at roughly $18,000. IPAL, IPAL.
IPAL, so they can come and ask IPAL.
Yes, man.
And your tree start from?
Well, 7.5 upwards.
Okay.
And we have a business card here also.
Okay. So IPAL tree starts from 7.5 up. And see what it look like here. So you can come on and get your...
do delivery also.
Okay, and you do delivery as well. So you guys can come on and get your live Christmas tree.
Right.
Yeah. What's the price for this one? This? It's a 6.5?
15 bills a foot.
15 bills?
A foot, negative.
15 bills a foot?
Yes, so if you want a 4-foot tree, it's 15
Oh, so 15 bills per foot.
Yeah.
Okay. Different person out here?
Yeah.
Oh, so it depends on who they come to. What's your name? Velma. Alright. Foot. Let me fluff it though. Alright, darling, thanks. So if you're looking for real Christmas trees, you can come on down to Kingston Spring Road, right across from Kingston Jamaica Limited, in the same plaza where True Value is, and get your Christmas tree. There are different sellers out here, or vendors rather, so you can come on and choose which vendor you want. They have different type of trees and different size trees. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please look out for the next video. Thank you again for watching. See you next time.